Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to share with you how to shut down computers if Windows will not shut down. For instance, if you click the start button here, click power, and then you click shut down, then it will just restart your computer or will not shut down properly. So to solve this problem, you can click at the start button, you type here power or power settings, then you click power options, here power options, and then close this one, then you click choose what the power buttons do, this one, and then here you click the change settings that currently unavailable, click this one, and then at the bottom you see here you uncheck this turn on past startup, uncheck this one by clicking, and then you click save changes. Okay, this time you close and then try to shut down. Click the start, then power, and then shut down. Then you have already shut down the computer properly. Okay, so the monitor is red, so meaning this is totally shut down. Thank you so much for watching.